In this tutorial, I will show you how to use tooltips that display additional information on your controls. Let's create a new project. Once you create a project, you need to add JavaFX Library. As you can see, your project cannot find JavaFX Library. So let's go to File, Project Structure, Libraries. Browse through JavaFX SDK library. It should be Program Files, JavaFX SDK. This is where I save it with the library directory. OK. Apply. OK. Open in Sim Builder. Try to remember your controller class. Remove. I prefer to use anchor pane. Sample.controller. I will add two labels. One for username, one for password. So first one I will use TextField. Second one I will use password field. Change the label. Password. LBL password for FX ID. LBL username. So the first one should be username. You can add prompt text. For password, I will use a tooltip to show additional information. Here I will say tfUsername. This is password field. So pf password. btn OK. So I will change to OK. btn stands for button. Okay, first time when you look for tooltip, it's now on the controls, it's miscellaneous. Drag and drop. I will drag it to password. So first time looks okay, but if you look at the documents here, on the password field, there's a tooltip. That means you select the tooltip. You can add additional information for password. Okay, save. Create data field, all of them. Okay, I think I missed one for tooltip. I will say tt password. Save it again. Okay. Create data field. I think one more thing is missing here. Handle btn OK. Okay. Let me change to private. And then add fxml annotations. Let me just copy paste it. Build project. Modify options. VM options. Module paths. Paste it. Add modules. Sorry, there should be 2 dash. We are using controls. Then fxml. Apply OK. So here you go. When you type username, it does not show you additional information. But when you move to password, Tooltip will bring additional information. That's the idea of a tooltip. Let me add one more. So from text, I will say enter password. Here, let me add tooltip to TextField. Make sure you select the tooltip. ttUsername, enter username. Save it. You should be able to see a text message for tooltip, enter username. And then here say password must contain. Okay. Run it again. This time you can see a tooltip for username and then password. Okay, that's the idea of using tooltip to display additional information for text field and then password field. You can apply it to other controls if you want to. That's all. Thank you.